Hello friends, welcome to Python tutorial for beginners. So this video is very important and useful for the Python beginner and the college student who wanted to make a mini project in Python. So I make a project and the name of this project is chatbot for holidays package booking. So in this video, I will tell you that how to make chatbot project easily. So what you will learn from this project, you will get a proper understanding of list, function, if else, while loop, break statement and data frame and some basic thing related to this project. So let me run this program and I'll show you that how this project is working. Then I'll tell you that how to make how to make a strategy to start your project, and I will give you the proper understanding of this source code as well, and I will share source code to you. Okay, so let me start this project first. So friends, let me run this program and see how this is working. So I'm just clicking here and restart and run all cells. So once you run all this code and you can go through with all question what it is asking, then how you will got to net how this project is working, and end of the this program you will get to know that how this is showing the result. Okay, so once you run, it will ask welcoming first, the welcome to our holidays package services. There's it will ask the question, are you looking to plan a vacation soon? Yes, in the bracket, yes or no. So if you enter no, that it will, let me see what is doing. If you say no, that it will say thanks for visiting us, let me know when you are planning for vacation. Then again it's saying if you want to continue to enter more user, then press capital Y, and if not, then capital N. So I wanted to continue. Okay, so I'm just pressing capital Y. Once you press capital Y, you will again, it will ask, okay, first we welcome to our holidays package service. Again it will ask the question that are you looking for vacation plan soon? Now I'm just saying yes. Okay, so once, let me not enter yes, let me enter random character. Okay, so once you enter, then what you will see, then it will ask that enter your answer in yes or no only. Okay, so now I have to enter only yes. So once you enter yes, it will ask again that great, may I know in which month you are planning for vacation? So now you have to enter the month. So you can enter the month how you can enter, you can enter the full name of the month, or you can enter the some starting three characters. So I'm just entering random thing first. Once you enter the random thing, it will say that enter proper month like January or Jan, like this. So people entering two types, they are entering complete spelling or only starting three character. Okay, so like this I'm just entering only Feb, starting three character of this month Feb. Okay, so once you enter, it will say that it will come to next question, what type of destination you are interested in your holidays, and giving the example, you wanted to go beach, mountains or hill, like city or hill area. So I'm just wanted to go on beach, so I'm entering on beach. Okay, once you enter, it will ask next question, how many people will be traveling with you in this vacation? So if you enter, not enter a number, if you enter the random character, then it will say validate here, and it will ask that please enter only in number digit. Okay, so I have to enter number, so I'm just entering number is 8. So once you enter 8, it will ask next question, what are your preferred travel date or time frame for this trip? So I have to enter the date in this format, so I'm just entering. Okay, I'm just entering the date like this. Now it's showing invalid date, please enter in this format. So I entered in this format, still it is showing the invalid. So why it is showing, you can observe here, this is the February month, but date is 30. So in the February it's not possible date 30, it can be either 29 or 28. So I have to make it correct here, that's why it's showing invalid date. So let me enter like this. Now it should be work. Okay, it's work. So now it's asking another question, do you have any specific activity or experience in your mind for holidays? So I'm just saying yes. Once you say yes, it will ask that what kind of activity would you like, swimming, paragliding or something. So I'm not entering anything, I'm just entering random character. Then what will see, once you enter, then it will say your activity is not listed, please choose from above list. So it means you have to choose from this list. So I'm just choosing now, it's swimming. Okay, I'm just entering swimming. Once you enter swimming, it will say that what is your budget for this vacation plan. So I'm just entering the budget. Okay, and then it will ask, are you planned for any particular destination or country? So I will just say yes. Once you say yes, it will ask the, may I know which destination or country you plan. I am just entering, I wanted to go Goa, so I'm just entering Goa. Okay, again, would you prefer a pre-planned package or custom itinerary? So like if I'm planning for pre-planned package I want to book, so I'm just entering pre-planned. Okay, once you enter pre-planned, it will ask again, is there anything else you would like to share, or you ask about regarding your holidays plan? So like if you want, then I can mention. So I'm just wanting to mention here, yes, I wanted to go Goa in very less budget. Okay, so once you enter, it's capital N. So I don't want to continue, I just wanted to quit, so I'm just entering capital N. So once you enter, you will get this kind of result. Like this is called the data frame. So this is the column name, this is the column name mentioned, and the input what you entered in this running program, that is showing here. Okay, so like location, looking vacation, it's yes. Okay, planning month February. Okay, destination type beach, person number of person 8, and plan date this. So this is the like all data is showing here. So this is called data frame, and so this is how this program is run. So guys, let's move for project preparation and strategy, that how you will start your chatbot project. Okay, so for chatbot, first of all you need to decide that on which topic you have to make chatbot. Okay, then after you have to search the question, that what kind of question chatbot will ask. So how you will got to know that, how you will get the question. So simply go to the chat GPT and ask the question related to your project, what the question you want. So I'm just asking the question related to holidays package booking. So just enter here. Once you enter, chat GPT give the list of the question. So this is the all kind of the list. So you can take this question, and you can start to make a chatbot on this question. Okay, so I just took a few questions from the chat GPT, which is this one. So I'm just writing the chat bot on this question. Okay, on holidays package booking, I simply collected that question. So this is the question. So I already taken from the chat GPT, that on this question I have to make a chatbot. So first of all I have to welcome on this project. Then I will ask this question, are you looking to plan for vacation soon? Then I ask the question, may I know which month you are planning? Like this, what the question I run that. So same question is asked here. Okay, so let me review the code and make understanding on this code. Okay, so what I did first. So first of all I did make one function, which is def. How you will define a function in the Python? So it's the def is the keyword to define the function. Then I written the function name, which is holidays package. Then I put the column and the close the braces. Okay, then again this is the user, and it is empty dictionary. So this empty dictionary, what it will do, it will simply store the data. So what is the dictionary in the Python? Dictionary means dictionary is a key and value pair. So it is storing key value in the user. Okay, so in initial it is empty. Once you start running this program and entering the data, it will make a key value pair and fill this dictionary. Okay, so once the program run, first of all it will create empty dictionary. Then it will go to the print, and it will print first what, welcome to our holidays package service. Then after it will come here and run the while true. So until or unless while is true, till that time your code keep continue running. Okay, So once you come inside the while loop, there is a variable I created in looking vacation. Okay, so in the looking vacation, I am storing something which is what. So in the input, it is asked to the user that are you looking to plan for a vacation soon, and in the bracket yes or no. So if you say yes, then it will store into the looking vacation. If you say no, it will also store in the this. Okay, then after I put dot and lower. Okay, so I will tell you later what is the lower here. Okay, so now come to here in the looking. After this statement, if there is a if statement, and then looking vacation equal yes. It means if someone is said yes, then it will like check that it is the condition to check if statement, that if the this statement is true, then it will execute this statement. Okay, so I'm just assuming this someone came and enter yes, so it will compare. And what lower will do here, so like if someone came and enter yes like in capital letter, everything is capital, then lower function will do what. Lower function simply make that lower case. Okay, every character should be in lower, so that it will be easy to compare here, and every time it will be true if someone is entering yes. Okay, now so once you enter inside the loop, if statement, then there is a one statement written here user, then this braces, then inside the braces I am written looking vacation, and in the looking vacation I am like assigning looking vacation again. So what the looking vacation containing, it is containing yes. So this is the key and this is the value. So and user, what is the user? User is the dictionary. So this statement is what is doing here. This statement is doing like assigning the value in the list. So it was the empty list, but now in the empty there is one key created named looking vacation, and what is storing in looking vacation is yes, which is entered by the user in this like line. Okay, now once you it is storing in the user, and then it's coming on the while true. So while true loop, what it will do, it will true and run this program like this statement. So if this statement is planning month, so in which month you are planning. So this is the input function. In input function I just written simply great, may I know in which month you are planning for vacation, and again it's lower function running to and make a lower everything where what the user entering. So if user entering something like month name is February, March or something, whatever they entering, it will store in the planning month, and then I will check here if statement is checking planning month in lower month. Lower, what is the lower month? So lower month is the list of the months. So which is check that lower month. Where is the lower month? You can check there. Where is the lower month? You can say below here. So yes, this is the lower month, valid month. Okay, this is the valid month. So I just enter this month here, all kind of month like 12 month, and in the shortcut form as Jan, Feb, March, April, like this. And then I just make it everything in lower, because any user can enter in capital letter or small letter. So I just make this item is lower, so I just make another variable lower month. In the lower month I am entering item that lower for loop item in valid month. Okay, so this will convert everything in this list is there, everything will convert into the small letter. Okay, so that it will be easy to compare. So now come to here, where is it? Okay, so now come to here. So if planning is in this, like in the lower month, whatever you month entered in this lower month, if it this statement is true. Okay, if this statement is true, then it will execute, like then again creating the next key which is planning month, and in that planning month I'm entering the planning month. So what the user entered in this line, it will store in the planning month. Okay, after that it will break this statement. Why I am breaking this statement? So if you not break, then again it will ask the same question. It will say, great, may I know in which month you are planning to for the vacation. So that's why I got the like answer. So I'm just breaking this statement. And if this statement is not running, then what it will do? It will execute else statement. And in else, what it will print? It will print that enter proper month like this or this. Okay. Then after it will break. So what this break will do? This break will make exit from this loop, inner while loop will exit from this break statement. Then again there is the else if. Why this is else if? Like someone is enter yes, then execute this kind of code. And if someone came and enter no, then what he will do? Then it will like store in looking vacation. Looking vacation should be like no. Okay. Then again it will print that thank you for visiting us, let me know when you are planning, then break. Okay. And if this is also not executed, then it will say that please enter yes or no only. Like if someone enter the random character, though it will not fall in this, it will not fall in this statement or in this statement, then it will fall in this else statement will execute. It will say that please enter capital N or like sorry yes or no, then it will execute. So guys, by this way I'm just asking all question and validating all question. And once you complete asking all question by using while loop and if else and break statement, then end of this like a program I'm running like calling the function to run this program. So first of all I'm just returning here user. What is the user? User is the dictionary. So everything you enter in the user, that is the dictionary. Okay. So user contain all data. When you run this program, then user contain all data, which is key value pair. Okay. So once you like return, then you need to call that function, then this program will run. So I'm just calling this function in the data frame. So what is the data frame? Data frame, like once I run this program, then end of the like this program, what the output is showing, that call is the data frame. Okay, pd.data frame. So what is the pd? Pd is the, I'm just showing here pd, yes, you can say this is the import pandas at pd. Okay, so there is a pandas is the library in the Python. So I believe that you already learned the pandas. If not learned, so it is the like a pandas the library in the Python. And as pd means that it is the like it's a convention, it's a name, like a nickname is a pandas. I if wanted to call the pandas, you can use the name is pd. Okay, so this is the pd here. So pd dot data frame, like I'm accessing the pandas here by name pd, and the data frame is the method there. So I'm just passing holidays package. So this is the calling here. Okay, so once you call, it will run complete program. So by this way you can got to know that how this project is working, how you make a strategy to like make any kind of chatbot program. Okay, it's very simple to understand using while loop, if, and like a break statement and nothing else. So thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet in next.